Are you tired of scrolling through social media and not making any money? Well, I have some great news for you. There's a new way to earn cash online that's as simple as leaving a comment on someone else's social media post. And the best part? You can make up to $1,000 just by doing this. So, how does it work? Big brands and companies are always looking for ways to increase their online engagement and promote their products or services. By leaving a comment on their social media posts, you're helping them achieve that goal. And as a thank you, they're willing to pay you for your time and effort. That's why in this video, I'm going to share with you the strategies and techniques that successful commenters use to earn big bucks. So sit tight and get ready to learn how you can turn your social media addiction into a profitable side hustle. Hello and welcome to The Money Hustle, where earning money online is made easy. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you may be among the first to watch the latest videos and apply the new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. To start with, the first step is to head over to Kraken.com, which is a digital platform that serves as a marketplace for buying and selling various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. It's worth noting that you don't have to spend any money on this website and you won't have to worry about purchasing any cryptocurrency. Although some people are investing huge amounts of money into cryptocurrency exchange marketplaces such as Kraken.com, you might be wondering what this has to do with you. However, you'll find out soon enough. Once you arrive on the Kraken.com website, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll see the affiliates button. Click on it and it will take you to the affiliate page where you'll learn about the common mistakes newbies make that result in getting banned from the website, preventing them from earning any money. On this page, you'll also discover that you can earn a passive income of 20% of the trading fees collected from clients when you refer someone to the website. For example, if you refer someone who spends $1,000, you'll receive $200 for free. And this is how you'll earn big bucks. Later in this video, I'll reveal a website where you'll find lots and lots of people to refer to the website. Now, you only need to scroll down a bit further to find the application form to become an affiliate. It's crucial to land on this page since you can earn a maximum of $1,000 for each person you refer to the website. But before I show you how to refer thousands of people, I want to make sure you avoid the same mistakes as other newbies. Therefore, pay attention to the instructions carefully. You need to enter your full name in the designated boxes and provide a valid email address. Create a unique username for your account. This process is straightforward since you're only signing up for their affiliate program. Enter some basic demographic information about yourself, including your country. The good news is that Kraken.com accepts people from all over the world, so if your country is on the list, it's likely that you can join too. Select your country and provide some basic demographic information about yourself and you're good to go. One of the most important steps to take when becoming an affiliate for Kraken.com is to avoid making common mistakes that could lead to your application being declined or your account being banned. One of these mistakes involves selecting the wrong partner type when filling out your application. When you reach the partner type section, make sure to avoid selecting offline or other options, as these are known to result in automatic declines and bans from the program. This could mean that you will never be able to make any money through Kraken.com. So it's important to choose an option like email, search engine marketing, loyalty and rewards, or coupon deals instead. Another mistake is to avoid not having at least one social media account set to public when filling out your application. Kraken.com requires that all affiliates have a public social media account to use as proof of their legitimacy. So it's important to make sure that at least one of your social media accounts is public before applying. If none of your accounts are public, you could be auto-declined and never given the chance to make money through the program. To avoid this, consider creating an Instagram page or a YouTube channel solely for the purpose of using it as a public social media account. You won't need to post anything or get any followers or subscribers. You simply need to have an account that is set to public so that Kraken.com can verify your affiliation. Once you've filled out all of the necessary information on the application form and avoided all of the common mistakes, you can submit your application by clicking the Sign Up button at the bottom of the page. After submitting your application, you may need to wait a few hours or a few business days to receive confirmation of your acceptance into the program. Once you are approved, you can grab your affiliate link and start using it to make money. One effective way to use your affiliate link is by leveraging a free traffic source that receives over 1 billion monthly visits. This platform can help you reach a wide audience of potential Kraken.com users who may be interested in signing up through your own link. The online platform I am referring to is none other than Reddit, a popular community-based website that features hundreds of thousands of small communities, each with targeted individuals talking about a specific topic. For instance, if you're interested in learning how to buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, you can easily find discussions about it on the platform by simply typing in relevant keywords in the search bar. The community is very active with new questions and discussions popping up every day. One of the great things about Reddit is that you can find information about virtually any cryptocurrency that exists. Even if you run out of ideas on what to search for, you can always use Google to discover new cryptocurrencies and find relation discussions on Reddit. For example, if you search for which cryptocurrency to invest in now, you will get a list of suggestions such as Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano, Polkadot, and Bitcoin, among others. From there, you can narrow your search to find people who are specifically interested in buying Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency. Once you find relevant discussions, you can provide helpful solutions to those seeking advice on the best platforms to buy cryptocurrency or invest in it. You can even use your affiliate link to recommend a specific platform that you have found to be reliable and user-friendly. Remember that by doing so, you can earn up to $1,000 per referral. It's important to note that some of these communities on Reddit have millions of members, which means there is a massive potential to make money by simply providing helpful advice and recommendations to those seeking it. Whether you are a seasoned cryptocurrency investor or just starting, you can leverage Reddit to find new opportunities to earn money and connect with like-minded individuals. Signing up to Reddit is quick and easy, and it's free. You can start by responding to someone who is seeking advice on how to invest or where to buy cryptocurrency. You can craft a message that reads something like, "I've been using various cryptocurrency exchange platforms over the past few months, and I found this one to be the best so far. It might be helpful for you too." You can then insert your affiliate link in the message. Of course, you can personalize this message to fit the conversation and the specific needs of the person you're responding to. The key is to create an authentic message that connects with the individual and provides them with valuable information. That ends today's tutorial. If you found it helpful and informative, don't forget to show your appreciation by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to my channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated on all of the latest content I create and be the first to know when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again in my next tutorial.